Okay, we have a Dexter easy lock today. We do have to pick a easy one every once in a while. This is the bitting on the key. It is locked up, and the key does work, or the lock does work. Okay, let's put it in the vise. See what we can do with it today. Okay, let's use the bottom of the keyway, and let's start off with this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. There's pin 4. A little bit on 3 and 2. 1. A little bit on 5. Some more on 3. More on 2. Okay, there it is, open on 1. Okay, let's open her up and see what this Dexter has in it. See if we can get this clip off. This one shouldn't be too hard. At least I hope not. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's go just like this. Oops, sorry, not in. Don't have the in the camera. Okay, let's go pin 5. Okay, there's pin 5. Okay, pin 6. 4. Pin 3. Pin 2. And pin 1. Alright, there has not been any changes made to the Bible. And I don't think there's any changes. Yeah, there is some changes to to the plug. So let's dump these out and we'll take a closer look. Okay, let's look at the plug first. Okay, the plug has threading in 2, 3, and 5. Nothing in 1 and 4. Alright, let's take a close look at the pins. Yeah, that's not a real good close-up. Let's see if we can get it closer. Okay. Okay, this is a spool and a serrated key pin. This is a serrated upper pin and a serrated key pin on 1 and 2. 3 and 4 has another serrated pin and spool, serrated key pin on 4, and another spool on number 5. Serrated upper pin and a serrated key pin. Okay, that's what we have in this Dexter. I appreciate you watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you again.